It's finally here. Other than drinking day, the most exciting part of making your own wine is bottling day. I have been letting the wine sit and clarify for about 10 days. It's beautiful, it's a nice jewel tone, clear, and so it's ready to go in the bottles. We sanitized 30 of these green wine bottles. We recycle these every time, just sanitize them really well, and they're ready to go. The goal is to get as much wine from the Carboys into the bottles without losing a lot of it. There is this really neat adapter that goes on the end of your siphon, and this touches the bottom of your bottle. When it's full, you lift it up and it should stop the transfer of wine so you don't lose any wine as you're moving from one to the other. So let's get the wine flowing by just pumping a couple of times. Oh, it's not going to work until I'm pushing down. So we're going to start the siphoning process, and we're filling the bottle almost to the top. Okay, everything is all bottled up. It made 28.5 bottles, so we're just going to drink that half one. When you buy a wine kit, it comes with this really rinky-dink corker, but it's a pain to use. It takes a really long time and it hurts. You have to put all your body weight on it. And so if you're going to do more than one batch, I highly recommend investing in one of these. This is an a Portuguese corker. And it's fairly simple to use. It's spring loaded. You just pop your bottle in and you put a soaked cork in the top, and then you simply use the lever to put the cork into the bottle. So there it is. This is the next to last step. The last step will be labels, but we still need to print those. But I'm going to show you how to get the foil toppers on there so they look a little more professional. You can buy these in bulk on Amazon, and they're just a really thin foil cap with a gold top. To get them nice and snug, you just slip them over the top of the wine, and then you gently dip them into boiling water, and that's going to seal it right on there so that it looks like a nice professional bottle of wine. There you have it, bottled wine from a kit, from box to bottle. If you enjoyed this, click the bell below for notifications on future videos and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you again at Fort Lewis real soon.